Patchy. Oh, here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I didn't see you there. My horse, he's got a little rocky gait at the moment, and I think I'm going to need to get that checked out. But if you know how to do that, that's great. Of course, if you want a bit of extra help from someone absolutely amazing, like Professor Jean-Marie Denoix in July, we're bringing him to Australia. He's coming with Kirsten Neal and Alex Young and Sue Jones to teach us about distal limb and proximal limb and axial skeleton lameness diagnoses. I hope you can make it. Come on, Rocky. Oh, have you injured your suspensory ligament? Oh no! Let's call the vet! I need you, mate. Let's go find the black.